and gadgets. I know I haven't put up no videos lately, been really busy. Basically had the whole van rebuilt. So I've got something to show you. It's quite good. So obviously I had the van back now 2 days, and obviously my van gets quite stuffy. Not just stuffy, even when you cook you can smell the cooking inside the van. I've had this little gadget for about 2 years, and to be honest it's quite good. I'm going to show you it now. I just checked on eBay to see how much they are. They are roughly around £8, but I think I bought this one for a couple of quid. So let me show you. So here it is, guys. This is the gadget, and I've had this, as I said, for 2 years. As you can see, it's been worn off. It's been used a lot, especially in my smaller van, and it's a great little thing. The reason I'm saying this is like a great gadget or a great item to have in your van, especially if you're living full-time or you're in a small space. This thing here will sort out like the odors in your van, especially when you're cooking, because it does a great job with me when I'm cooking. And like stuffy dry air, you know, when you're sleeping you get that blocked nose. I ran this the other day and in here was stuffy, because obviously I've got hardly no windows, just got one window there what I don't, you know, have open when I'm sleeping. Got a vent up there what I have open, and I have a vent up there to open. Sometimes I have the fan going, but you know, sometimes you want to switch off them fans to reduce the noise. So anyway, this is the little machine here, or little gadget, 12 volt humidifier diffuser. It's quite good, it's a great thing. I'm going to show you how it operates now. Let me plug it in. So it's plugged in, it's touch panel at the top. Red means it's off, obviously. You press it once on blue and it will start spraying out in a minute. There you go. And obviously when you put your fragrance in here, there you go guys, and then one more click and it does like a pulsate, so it sprays for about 5 seconds, stops, and then it should spray. There you go, it stopped. So it should spray again. Yep, there you go. And this thing, it helped me when I was sleeping anyway, because obviously I didn't get that blocked nose last night. Done a great job. The only thing is, the water you've got to top up. I think it lasts about 2 hours if you leave it on continuously. But obviously I leave it on at night. So it did work. But I have it on pulsate, so it lasts longer than that 2 hours, if you know what I mean. So yeah, done a great job. I might get an upgrade now because this is an old model. I've had it quite a while. So, and they're roughly around £8 now for the latest one. I'm not sure the difference from the latest one, but there's a lot of reviews on these now. I just checked before I've done this video. But the reason I've done it, to share with the camper guys basically, because you know, if you're in a small space, as I said, odour smells and stuff like that, you're going to get that in a small space. So you're going to need something like this, if you know what I mean. Especially if you've got a cooker, if you're cooking inside your camper van, or you're frying eggs and stuff. You know, even if you open the door, sometimes you open at your door for, I don't know, 20 minutes or whatever, then you come back in the van, you can still smell those eggs or whatever. This thing here will sort out your problems, and the oils on it is cheap. You can put any oils in it. I even put aftershave in it, and I leave it on with the aftershave. Great, yeah? But yeah guys, just throw that in for you, and I'll start making my videos now, because obviously the van is working great. I'm going to start finishing off all my trims now, get that window in, and that's it. The van is fully rebuilt. So just a more, you know, just throw a few more videos up soon. I might change the burner now. I might put a big burner in there now, because I've got to keep getting up every like hour or 40 minutes. So I'm going to put a big one in there, so it lasts like, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours maybe on some big logs. And that's about it. Oh yeah, I think about putting some security cameras in there as well, outside. I've seen some on eBay. I think they were about, £86. You get 4 cameras, plus it can work on your stereo. That's about it. Oh yeah, I'm going to get the dim in the front of the van as well. So I'm going to get the TV monitor screen in the front and have it hooked up to my monitor on the front, plus the monitor, you know, plus the TV basically in the van. And that's about it, guys. So now Hobbies and Gadgets is signing out. Stay safe.